title, The Curious Cat and the Brave Bird. Once upon a time in a vibrant meadow lived a curious cat named Cassie and a brave bird named Benny. Cassie was known throughout the meadow for her insatiable curiosity. She would spend her days exploring every nook and cranny, chasing butterflies and investigating the tiniest of creatures. Benny, on the other hand, was a little bird with a heart full of courage. He loved soaring through the sky, singing songs that filled the meadow with joy. One sunny morning, Cassie was busy pouncing on dandelion fluff when she noticed a fluttering of colourful feathers in the distance. It was Benny, practicing his mid-air acrobatics. Cassie couldn't help but be captivated by Benny's graceful flight and melodious tunes. She watched in awe, her curiosity piqued like never before. After Benny's performance, Cassie approached him with a wide-eyed grin. "Hi there, Benny. I'm Cassie," she heard, her tail swishing with excitement. Benny landed on a nearby branch and chirped a friendly greeting. "Hello, Cassie. What brings you to my neck of the woods today?" Cassie sat down, her tail wrapped around her paws. "I've seen you flying around and heard your beautiful songs. I've never met a bird like you before." Benny puffed out his chest proudly. "Why, thank you, Cassie. Flying and singing are my true passions. But what about you? What makes you happy?" Cassie thought for a moment. Well, I love exploring and discovering new things. But I've never been able to fly like you do." Benny's eyes twinkled with an idea. "How about this, Cassie? I could teach you how to fly, and you can show me some of your favorite hiding spots in secret corners of the meadow." Cassie's eyes widened even more. "Really? You do that?" Benny nodded enthusiastically. Of course. It might take a bit of practice, but with your curiosity and my guidance, I'm sure you'll be soaring in no time. And so, Cassie and Benny's friendship blossomed. Every day they would meet in the meadow. Benny patiently taught Cassie about aerodynamics, balance, and the art of gliding. Cassie, in turn, led Benny through the tall grasses, showing him a miniature world that existed beneath his notice. With each passing day, Cassie's leaps grew higher and her bounds longer. Benny watched with pride as Cassie went from awkward jumps to graceful bounds, getting closer and closer, taking flight. One golden afternoon, Cassie stood at the top of a small hill, her heart pounding with both excitement and nervousness. Benny perched nearby, his feathers ruffled by the wind. Are you ready, Cassie? He asked. Cassie took a deep breath and nodded, her eyes shining with determination. With a powerful leap, she spread her paws wide and felt the wind lift her off the ground. She was flying. Benny soared alongside her, offering guidance and support. Up in the sky, Cassie experienced a sense of freedom she had never known before. From that day on, Cassie and Benny continued to explore the meadow together. Cassie's curiosity remained as strong as ever, and now she had a brave friend to share her adventures with. As for Benny, his heart swelled with pride whenever he watched Cassie take flight, knowing that their friendship had helped them both discover new horizons. And so the curious cat and the brave bird became inseparable, a duo that reminded everyone in the meadow that true friendship could help them conquer any challenge, whether it be soaring through the skies or exploring the hidden wonders of the world